Low squad, low gang, what's up? Watch me do my thing. Woo! I haven't said that intro in a very, very long time. Quick question. How many of my real old supporters remember that intro? Drop that in the comments and let me know if you guys are feeling that intro because I kind of missed that intro, but I like my new intro. What if I merge the two together? That's an option. Drop that in the comments and let me know. It's low squad, low gang, what's up? Watch me do my thing. Yeah. But anywho, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to clean your mechanical keyboard. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep it locked right here. So for this process to be successful, you will need some items to help you clean and take the keyboard apart. Now, by all means, I'm not doing a deep clean with the keyboard because I do plan on continuing customizing my keyboard. As you can see, I took the space bar off. It's been off for like a year or so, and I replaced it with my own space bar, the two eyes of some type of cat, big cat. So yeah, I'm still in the process of customizing my keyboard. But with that said, the items you will need to make this process successful is a keycap picker. I have two, as you can see. This one I like to use with the keycaps, boom. See, I got the key right there. And this one I like to use with the swatches, but I'm not taking the swatches out. I'm not taking the swatches out of the keyboard because I'm not doing a deep clean in this video. So the next item is this blower. Yes, this is a lens blower you use on your camera, but I use it to clean off other things as well. This is optional. You can have a brush just to, wipe the keyboard off a bit before you take the keys off. And like 9 times out of 10, this is all you have to do to get some of that dust off. But I'm gonna start taking the keys off, and before I do, a tip I will give you guys is to remember where your keys go. You don't want to put the wrong keys on the wrong swatch because that will throw you off and you will be typing wrong and everything. So try to remember where the keys go, and if you can't remember where the keys go, have a picture of your mechanical keyboard so you can use that picture for a reference. So with no further ado, let's get into taking the keys off. So what I do is I don't go in there and just, wiggle it around like that. Like, come on. No, you want to ease your way in there and it's going to pop up like so. Let me do another one for you guys. Pop up like so. Like, you don't want to be heavy-handed with this process. You could break keys, break your swatches and all that stuff. So just be mindful of doing it with care, if you will. So I'm gonna do this one. Boom. And I'm about to speed up the process. Well, for these little big ones, it might be harder, but you bend it back. You just wiggle it back and forth gently. And then sometimes you can do like that. See, this one has 3 swatches that it goes into. I'm gonna go right there, and I'm just placing them in order of the keyboard on my desk so I can keep track of the keys. Okay, now I'm about to speed up the process. You guys don't need to see this because basically it's the same thing. So I catch up with you guys in a sec. All right. All right. So the only key left is, I shouldn't did that, some dust fell, is the space bar. Now this is a long key, so it's a little trick I do is go to the center and it lifts up like so. Boom. And yes, it's a lot of dust under here. So I'm gonna you seen that? This was, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was in my keyboard. First I should have did this. You can see some stuff falling. Boom. And I didn't keep the keys in order, by the way. I have a picture I'm gonna reference off of. And if your keycaps are dirty, what you could do is get like a damp towel or a wipe or something and wipe them. And I would advise you to wait 24 hours just to make sure that the keycaps are good and dry. And then after that, put them back on the keyboard if you need to clean your keycaps off. So back to the cleaning. Yeah, we don't want to use water directly on the keyboard because it is an electronic device. And this is just to loosen up the dust. And I'm not like banging it like real hard. I'm banging it ever so slightly. Then you have to clean off your desk mat too when you're down on your desk, wherever you clean it at, because the dust you get out of your keyboard will be on your desk. But these swatches come out, I could switch them if I wanted to. Like, this keyboard is fully customizable. Again, here is my space bar. I just added, put it back. I know the space bar goes right there, and all you do is you line it up, the swatches, and you there put them back in. And I know this one goes right here. So yeah, it's back in, and it won't go nowhere when it's back in. So I need to get my picture, and I'll be back. All right, let's do this, man. Yeah, they just snap in place. I just click it a couple of times so I know it will stay. Okay, say if you put a key in the wrong spot and you just realized it, all you gotta do is pop it up like you was popping it up the first time you took it off. Boom. I'm like halfway done, as you can see. Yes, sir. Yeah, there we go. And boom. That's how you do it. That's how you clean off your mechanical keyboard. Get in. Ooh, snap. Get in between. Once again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how to take off the swatch. This isn't my regular tool I use. And I do have extra keys too in this bag, because when I got this keyboard, it came with them, because this keyboard is compatible with Apple devices and like Windows devices. So it has like Apple mode and Windows mode on here, so you can switch out the key, because you probably should know Apple keyboards are a little bit different from Windows keyboards. So yeah, so they give you the option to switch them when you switch to whatever you are using, and you can connect this mechanical keyboard up to 3 devices, which is really sweet. I love this keyboard. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content on this mechanical keyboard, because I do plan on taking the customization to the next level. So if you are interested, again, make sure you are subscribed, man, because you don't want to miss what I'm about to do with this keyboard. So that will do it for this video. Don't forget to get out there and create. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuce, I'm gone.